Hi, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we are going to see what is arithmetic progression, how exactly it is, and based on that we will solve a few problems. So this is a very good questions will come in the competitive examinations, whatever may be the competitive examinations. Okay, we'll see what is arithmetic progression. So here the general format of arithmetic progression I will write how exactly it is. The first number will be a. Then after that, it is a plus d, then a plus 2d, so on up to a plus, this is n minus 1d. The last term is this, and this is the first term. These are the terms in sequence or the series. Okay. So here this is the first term, last term, and common difference. What is the difference between here the two elements or the two numbers, which is represented by CD? That is, this is second minus first. What is the second number? This. What is the first number? This. What is A minus A? That is D. Right? So if I mention this as A1 and this as A2, the common difference is it is a2 minus A1, right? So this is the common difference. Suppose I want to write the nth term, I already written that nth term, we can write that as an is equals to a plus n minus 1 d, right? So next, after that, suppose I want to write the sum of n term. I want to write the sum of n terms, which is represented by Sn, which is equals to, we can write like it is n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d, right? So suppose if I split this n by 2, suppose instead of writing a 2a, if I write like a plus a followed by the same format, so it is n by 2. What is here a? I will write a as it is plus, what is a plus this whole format? That is nothing but this one. So we can write this as a n. The sum of the n terms can be written as like this or this format. Nth term can be written like this. Common difference is a2 minus a1. First term is always what is here, and the last term is this. That is the nth term. So these are the basics, right? So with the help of this, we can take few of the problems. So we'll take the problems so that you will understand this in a better way. So we'll see problem one by one. So initially we will take simple problems. Later we will take complicated problems. Okay. So in this series we will continue with the progressions, arithmetic progressions, geometric progressions, and harmonic progressions will come. We'll see that later. So here we'll take the first problem. So for this I will take the help of this book. So here fourth term of AB. So first problem we will take. The question is fourth term of arithmetic progression you should calculate in a sequence. What is the sequence which is given? 5, 8, 11 is given. So you want to find what is the fourth term. So that is what in the AP, right? So this is what the question given. So how to calculate this fourth term is the question. So here we know how to find the nth term, right? So how to find the nth term? We have the formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 d, right? This is the formula we are having to calculate a nth term, right? So they have asked what term? Fourth term. So now here look at this. What is this? The first one. is A. What is the value of A? 5. Then after finding the first term, this is the first term, we should find the CD. What is CD? Common difference. How to calculate the common difference? Second minus first. Usually we will write A2 minus A1. In this case it is 8 minus 5. What is that value? 3. Right? So now straight away we can apply this formula. What is that? We should calculate here fourth term means it is A4. Means here what is the value of n? N value is 4. Right? So A is 5, n is 4. So common difference is 3. So it is 5 plus 4 minus 1 is 3. So it is 3. So what is 5 plus 3 into 3 is 9. So it is 14. So the fourth term is how much? It is 14. Right? So now we can write here as what? It is 14 now. Without doing this mathematical analysis also, we can straight away write here as 14. How? I will write here one more time, 5, 8, 11. We want what is the fourth term, right? So now we can see the difference. What is the quantity I should add to get 8? 3. Next, after this, what is the quantity I should add to get 11? 3. Next, after that, 11 plus 3. By looking at the previous pattern, we should add 11 plus 3, that is nothing but 14. So this is a shortcut method so that you can answer in your competitive examinations. So if it is a descriptive, you should write like this. If it is a MCQ, within 1 minute we should solve this, so that it is very easy. Within 10 seconds we can solve that, right? So this is the first problem. So I hope you understood this one. So similarly, we'll take one more problem, that is a second problem. So here you can consider the second one. So the problems which I am solving is useful for both descriptive as well as MCQ problems. Okay. So we'll see the next part, that is next problem. So here, so we'll take here the next problem, that is how many digits, how many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 5. So this is the question which is given. How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 5? So how to solve this is the question, right? So now with the help of arithmetic progression we can solve this. So for this, what are our requirements? We should know what is the first number, we should know what is the common difference, we should know what is n, right? And also the last term. So these are the things we should know, right? So look at the question, how many 2-digit numbers, right? 2-digit numbers will start from what? 00 to 99, right? So 00 to 99 numbers are there, but they are telling that it is should be divisible by 5, right? So after 0, what you will get? 1. 1 is not divisible by 5. 2 is not. 3 is not. 4 is not. But 5 is divisible by 5. So this is your first number. Then after that, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is the second number. Then after that, similarly, you will get what? The next number? 15. So like this, we can collect up to the last number. What is the last number? So 99 is not divisible, 98 is not, 97 is not, 96 is not, 95 is the last one. Right? So for simplification purpose, we have taken these numbers, but we don't know how many numbers are there in between. They are asking here how many two-digit numbers are divisible by 5. For this, we will take the help of this arithmetic progression. Nth term is equals to a plus n minus 1 d. So here we know that what is the value of a? A is 5, that is the first number. What is the common difference? Common difference, look at this, 10 minus 5 is 5, 15 minus 10 is, still it is 5, right? So, what is the last number? That is an, which is 95. So, this number we know, a value we know. So, how many, that is we don't know, n minus 1. Common difference we know, what is that? It is 5. Right? So calculate n here, so that it is how many, right? So how to calculate this? 95 is equals to 5 plus 5 times n minus 5, right? So you can do like this, 5 with 5, 95 is equals to 5n, so n is equals to 95 divided by 5. So the value of n is 5 ones are 5, 4. So it is 5 ones are 4, 4, 5 nines are. So how many two-digit numbers are there total? 19 two-digit numbers are there which are divisible by 5, right? So out of that we have written 4 here, 1, 2, 3, 4. The remaining how many? 15 are here. Okay, so the value of that is 19. So like this, the problems are going to be varied so that we can solve these arithmetic progression problems, right? So can you solve one more problem so that you will understand in a better way? So I'll pick up one more problem so that you will understand. Okay. Okay. I will take one more different looking problem so that it is better for you to go through how the exam pattern and how exactly the questions will appear in your competitive examinations, right? So we should see and we should focus on MCQ as well as descriptive type problems, right? So here, so I will take up a problem which is like this. Third problem, the 17th term of AP exceeds its 10th term by how much? 7. So find the common difference. What you should find? Common difference. So this is a problem. What is the problem? 17th term of AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. So here, for this, what we should write is, so here, look at this. 17th term, how we can write the last term? An. So we'll write this An as A17. This 17th term of AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. So that it is going to be A10 by 7. So this is what the format is. So here, with the help of this given thing, that is 17th term is exceeding by the factor 7, so that you can calculate what is the common difference between this. So for this here, what you should write? What is the value of A17? We should write that first. A17 can be written as, what is the first term? We will always write A. Then what is that? Next one we will write it as, just here, this is n minus 1 d, right? But what is n in this case? 17. So it is 17 minus 1. What is that? 16 d we will get for A17, right? So for this, what do we get? A plus 60. So similarly, we will write it for A10. How to write A10? A plus n minus 1 d. So what is the value of n? 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. So it is a10 will get a plus 9d, right? So now we will substitute these values here, right? What is the value of a17? So we will write here what is the value of a17. It is nothing but a plus 16b, which is equals to what is the value of a10? A plus 9d plus what? 7, right? So this is the thing we are having, right? So now here a and a is there, so this will get cancelled, right? So here 16d minus 9d is equals to 7. What is 16 minus 9? So 16 minus 9 is 7d, which is equals to what? 7. So 7 7 will get cancelled. What is the common difference we will be having? Which is 1. So 17 term of AP is exceeds its 10th term by 7. So the common difference is 1. Right? So this is the basics as well as the problems how they are going to appear in the competitive examination in the descriptive as well as MCQ part. So thank you. We'll see you in the next video with the next update. Stay tuned to this channel. Click on the bell icon for the latest notifications. Thank you.